Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vision Refocused channel, where we primarily discuss ocular disease as well as actionable steps for keeping your eyes healthy. I'm Dr. Kevin Cornwell, and today we're going to be talking about our top 5 tips for keeping your eyes healthy while wearing your soft contact lenses. Whether you're new to soft contact lens wear or you've been wearing them for decades, you'll find this information useful in keeping your eyesight clear and your eyes healthy while wearing your lenses. Let's jump right in. Today's soft contact lenses come in a variety of wearing modalities, with monthly disposables typically being the most common. Daily disposables are also a great choice for people with previous history of eye infections, allergies, or for those who just want to wear their lenses on special occasions. Dailies are typically the more hygienic option for the eye. So tip number 1, hygiene. This may sound like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised. It's important to focus on proper hygiene with both our hands and our lenses. Get into the habit of washing your hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds prior to handling your contacts. Cleaning and storing your lenses in approved multi-purpose solutions or hydrogen peroxide-based systems is also crucial in keeping your lenses clean and comfortable. Never use tap water or put your lenses in your mouth for cleaning or re-wetting. All of this greatly reduces the risk for contact lens-related eye infections. When learning to insert and remove your contact lenses, be sure to work over a clean surface. If you accidentally drop a lens, be sure to rinse and clean it thoroughly with multi-purpose solution prior to reinserting the lens. If there's a risk of the lens falling down the sink, you can cover the drain during this process as well. And for those of you that wear your lenses for weeks at a time, it's important to keep the lens storage case clean and disinfected. This should be done daily, and you can do this by just rinsing the case with multi-purpose solution and allowing it to air dry, or you could throw the case in the dishwasher if you want. Just like your toothbrush, you should replace your lens storage case every few months or sooner if you have a history of contact lens related eye infections. Also, every time you buy a new bottle of storage solution, it should come with a new case, and this is a great time to throw away your old case. And lastly, never sleep with your contact lenses in. This triggers your body's immune system to a foreign object and can increase the risk for potentially sight-threatening eye infections. This is also true for those of you that wear your lenses for weeks or months at a time without taking them out. Tip number 2, lubrication. For those of us that experience frequent tearing, burning, or irritation while wearing our contact lenses, our eyes are likely too dry. There's a few things to consider here. For those of us that work in an office setting or behind a computer screen, taking frequent breaks is important. During prolonged periods of focusing up close, our rate of blinking is significantly reduced, leading to a lot of these symptoms here. A good thing to remember too is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and focus off into the distance at something at least 20 feet away. This can help alleviate some of these symptoms. Exposure to wind and air can also cause extreme discomfort for contact lens wearers. It's important to avoid direct exposure to fans or air vents in the environment. Also, for people exposed to high amounts of wind on their morning commutes, they may want to wait until they get to their destination before putting their contact lenses in. This can help prevent their eyes from drying out. This may include those who ride like a motorcycle or a bike to work, or even if you're just walking in a windy environment. And lastly, for contact lens wearers that are experiencing symptoms of dry eye, it's important to keep over-the-counter lubricating drops with you as well. There's a whole slew of these on the market. Some of them will say for contact lens use, and that's fine. I typically just recommend anything that says preservative-free and for lubrication. They come in little individual vials and tend to work really well. I tend to steer patients away from the ointments or the gel drops because those are a little bit thicker and can make the vision really blurry with the contact lenses. But keeping drops with you throughout the day can also help improve comfort. And again, these can be used as much or as little as needed, from once a day to every couple hours. Tip number 3, eye protection. Depending on what activities you do while wearing your contacts, eye protection is super important. When speaking with patients, I like to describe contacts as little sponges that go in the eye. In other words, any airborne debris is likely to stick to them and cause irritation or even an infection. This could happen in a situation where there's airborne debris or foreign objects like weed whacking, landscaping, lawn mowing, or even with cosmetics or aerosol sprays like hairspray or paint spray. As tempting as it may be in certain situations, avoid rubbing your eyes vigorously while wearing your contact lenses. If your eyes are feeling itchy or irritated, This could make your symptoms a lot worse, while also risking scratches to the delicate surface of the eye as well. And for all you swimmers out there, consider using prescription swim goggles in lieu of swimming with your contact lenses. There are numerous places to order prescription swim goggles direct to consumer, and I've included these links in the description below. Again, it's important to avoid swimming, showering, or sleeping with your contact lenses in. Tip number 4, never purchase a brand of contacts that haven't been fit to your eyes by your eye doctor. Whether it's online or at a gas station or at a flea market, there's an abundance of contact lens vendors out there today, some of whom have questionable business practices. Your eye doctor has chosen a specific lens shape and material that fits your specific eye. If you feel like you need a different style lens, speak to your eye doctor before arbitrarily ordering another contact lens somewhere else. Tip number 5, keep an updated backup pair of glasses in case you're in a situation where you cannot wear your contact lenses that day. Typically, if your eyes are feeling watery, irritated, or light sensitive, or if you're having symptoms of allergies or even a cold or a flu, it's best to discontinue contact lens wear and see your eye doctor. Also, please don't wait until you've overworn or ripped your last pair of contacts before scheduling your next appointment with your eye doctor. It's good to reorder your lenses when you still have at least one unopened pair of contacts left. Sometimes these can be on back order, especially for those of you with higher prescriptions. So don't wait until it's too late. And I wanted to end with a couple bonus tips for the new contact lens wearers out there. One is to give yourself plenty of extra time in the morning as you're getting ready. When you're learning to insert and remove your contacts, it may take a few extra minutes to get the hang of it. If you're trying to rush out of the house, fumbling with your contacts will only make the day more stressful. Wear your glasses on these days and practice inserting your contacts at a later date when you have more free time. Also, expect your lenses to feel slightly uncomfortable and your vision to be blurry for the first 15 to 20 seconds after putting your contacts in. The lenses may need to rotate into the proper position, and during this brief period, your eyes may feel a little bit irritated. If your eyes continue to feel uncomfortable after 15 to 20 seconds, the lens may be flipped inside out, or there could be a small piece of dust or debris on the lens. Promptly remove the lens from your eye and inspect it for any dirt or debris. You can rinse it with multi-purpose contact lens solution and then reinsert the lens. A torn contact lens can also cause symptoms of irritation as well. For those of you with different prescriptions in each eye, be sure to not mix up your contact lenses. Most of the time, your contact lens case will be marked with an R or an L to demarcate right and left. And for those of you wearing daily contacts, make sure you know which box is for your right eye and which box is for your left. Some contact lens solutions are hydrogen peroxide based. These cleaning systems typically provide the most thorough cleansing for your lenses, and they're great for contact lens wearers who wear their lenses for 2 to 4 weeks at a time. You'll notice the tip of the bottle is red, which signifies the solution should not be placed directly into the eye. Instead, these systems require at least a 6-hour soak time to fully clean and neutralize your lenses. If you're in a situation where you cannot have your lenses soaking for at least 6 hours, we recommend using a contact lens solution that is not hydrogen peroxide based. So there you have it. I hope this video provided some additional insight into having the best possible experience with your contact lenses. If you follow these tips, you can avoid some nasty eye infections that can permanently damage your vision. Also remember, it's important for contact lens wearers to have their eyes checked once a year to ensure satisfactory vision and eye health. If you have any further questions regarding contact lens wear, feel free to leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Also, if you have a specific topic you'd like to see covered in a future video, let us know as well. For more videos on ocular health with actionable steps to keep your eyes healthy, check out the other videos on our channel and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.